skeletal muscle, its structure and mechanism of contraction. You can see in the diagram any skeletal muscle, any organized skeletal muscle in our body is made up of muscle bundles which are held together by collagen connective tissue named as fascia, and each muscle fiber is covered by plasma membrane known as sarcolemma, which is enclosing sarcoplasm. You can see this in the diagram that skeletal muscle is composed by muscle bundles held together by fascia, and each muscle fiber is covered over by plasma membrane named as sarcolemma, which is enclosing sarcoplasm. Sarcoplasm reticulum, that is endoplasmic reticulum, so present is storehouse of calcium ions. We can see in the other diagram parallel arranged filaments give rise to striated sarcoplasm, and which forms muscle fiber, and this parallel arranged filaments are also known as myofibrils. In a muscle fiber, you will see that in the sarcoplasm of muscle fiber, the filaments are parallelly arranged, and these filaments are also known as myofibrils. Myofibrils further have two bands, that is dark band and light band, and the presence of two proteins give them striated appearance. These two proteins present in myofibril are actin and myosin. The dark band contains myosin and light band contains actin. Dark band is also known as A band and light band is also known as I band. That is isotropic band, and dark band is anisotropic band. Light band is thinner than the dark band. Now you can see in the diagram, I band is attached, that is thin filament is attached to a Z line. This Z line, it bisects the I band from the center, and similarly A band is attached through a muscle fiber tissue known as M line. Sarcomere is the portion of myofibril between two successive Z lines, and this is also known as functional unit of contraction. When resting state of muscle is there, thin filaments, they overlaps the edges of thick filaments, and the center of these thick filaments is known as H zone. You can see in the diagram. So here you can see myofibril is having two bands, dark and light, and it is striated in appearance because of two proteins, actin and myosin. And then I band is bisected by a Z line and A band is held by M line. Sarcomere, the functional unit of contraction, is the portion of myofibril between two successive Z lines, and in the resting state, thin filaments overlaps the edges of thick filaments, thereby forming H zone.